it's Nadia. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a very cool sunshine card with a cool trick. So now I'm just going to make my sunshine background, and here I go. And so what I did is I put frog tape, and then I made a little gap and then colored it in with Distress Oxide, and then made another little gap and did it again. So this is how my sunshine looks. So as you know, I took this and made little stripes and left a little bit of white between it. And now I'm just gonna make sand at the bottom of this. Enjoyed it, Toys from Heaven. Please subscribe to Toys from Heaven and share with your kids and your family. And don't forget to comment.